we'll guide you through how to compare Claude versus Gemini. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official websites of both Claude and Gemini. On Claude's site, go to their Features or Product Comparison section, where you can get an overview of what Claude offers. Look for key features like performance metrics, integration options, and unique selling points that make Claude stand out. Next, switch over to Gemini's website and do the same. Check their Features section and note down their capabilities, strengths, and any standout tools they provide. You want to pay close attention to the user interface, ease of use, and any testimonials or case studies that highlight how Gemini performs in real-world scenarios. Now, open a spreadsheet or a Notes app to create a side-by-side comparison chart. List down the features, pros, and cons for both Claude and Gemini. This will help you visualize the differences and similarities more clearly. Consider factors like cost, support services, and user reviews. If both platforms offer free trials or demo versions, make sure to sign up and experience them firsthand. This will give you direct insight into which platform better suits your needs in terms of efficiency and user experience. Finally, take into account any specific requirements you have, like compatibility with other software you use or the scale of your operations. This holistic approach will ensure you make an informed decision. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.